Magdafon mi ni Madam kong gwapa. Sama pa ba? Nangatol mi sa Shiga. Shiga yun sis, no?
Glamping.
Mag-glamping kami ngayon. Came true. Ganda. Ba't?
Continue straight. Continue for 10 kilometers.
Daming virgin forest dito sa Japan, no?
Kita mo talaga na walang
Oo. Ano din? Mga busy mo ng mga tao dito. Wala na ikuan ba?
Pili na lovers. Pwede ka naman dito sa loob. In 6 kilometers. Lakeside Resort. Ay, ayan. Ay, sis. Lake pala yan, sis.
Ha?
Ang laking lake.
Lake pala to?
Sabi naman kung dagat sa laki.
Afumi. Ba't pwede mo parking dito?
Mom, where's my cap?
Oh, I don't know. Where did you put?
I think in the car.
Oh, no. Get the car.
He was running away.
Oh. Auntie, oh.
Video kay mahalo ko video niya.
Oh.
Sean!
Si Baby siya.
We can do water. Where's the cup?
May wine pa oh. And tea. And Calpis soda.
Where?
And Lattice
Where's
drink.
the cup?
And Calpis.
Wait a minute.
Drink. This is a drink. This is a drink.
Wait,
You can literally eat like peanuts.
oh, I don't like peanuts.
Tay, pag weekend rin, dagang tao dire.
Later.
Dagang tao dire pag weekend.
Okay.
Nita, Nono anak, Nono. Yes. Guys, abin ninyo nagdagat lake ni siya. Kada ko ba kay aning lake dire? Wala, dako pa siyang lake. Lake, siguradong lake man ni siya. Mura man ni siya dagat, oy. Lake daw ni siya. Nate, don't go there, okay? Nate, 1, 2, 3. One more time. Okay.
Later. It's so heavy. Why you didn't find me? I found
No, it was over.
Later, look at this.
Whoa! They have many cups. And a lamp.
Oh, what is this cookie?
Hey, you have to pay dollars. Stop it.
What?
Is this
Dollar
free
talaga.
or no?
Mama.
That is free.
Mama, Papa.
It's free.
Mama, Nathan, you cannot.
You have to wait. Look
Mama,
at
you
that.
some. Wait. And you got cookie there. Coco, siga, Angie, I got cookie. Or Angie, Angie, cookie there.
Magawas ta dire. Pwede mag-barbecue din eh, oh. Dire may matulog. Gawas ta rin sa among katulugan. Ito yung vela nila dito. Dili mi ani, oh. May jacuzzi din dito, guys.
The kitchen. Kitchen. Mama, shoot. Bring it back.
Sis, oh, alin sa dito? Tapos mo.
Huwag sa banta.
Pwede may ilan drinks doon.
Ako, ang dami. Magkape?
Wait.
Ano, ewan ko ano mga drinks. Pwede
Libre yun?
ng popcorn doon.
Ah, ito, mga ito rin ko libre. Sis, ito ata ang chinelas natin.
Oh.
Ito, oh. May chinelas naman. Mas mabilis to.
Give me some white one. And some, and this is some.
Libre mi dire kuan. Magkape mi dire. Division.
That's the
Libre na to. Whiskey and soda beer. Tanita.
That's not
That's my cup. That's my cup.
And we don't have a cup, Mom.
That's my
There's 2 cups, Mom.
Sama tong wine. Libre to mga wine, sis?
Red wine and wine.
Mama, where's the wine? Mama,
Gawa tayo dito ng ano. Nate. No, Nate.
Don't make it. I want to watch it. No, it's a stinky bag. Hey!
No, Coco.
Die!
Nathan, where are you, anak? Nagtago man yun siya, kaya nag-iPad man to. Tomorrow, Nate. Tomorrow. I think it's afternoon. Sapa, yung gabi na. Sapa ba dun siya? Wala man nagdagat, oy. Mao gani.
Tignan mo yung anak mo.
Net!
Stop na with the drinks mo.
Coco! Smile! 1, 2, 3. Sean, baby Sean! Ak. May eagle dito, oh. Nathan, eagle.
So hilarious. Sometimes action. Do you know this? Do you know? Cover me like this. Mom is the ship. Mom is the
About
ship.
to leave now. Are you ready, guys?
3, 2,
Where we go?
Oh my God! It's so windy.
Sis, ano lang kami? 40 to. Tatlo na sa'yo.
Mom is belly.
Mama, tissue chorai.
Get from grandma.
No, you get it. Ay, na. Wait. 아니라 꽃이래. 꽃이가 아니라 꽃이. 안돼도 꽃이래.
Magawas ta dire. Pwede mag-barbecue din eh, oh. Dire may matulog. Gawas ta rin sa among katulugan. Ito yung vela nila dito. Dili mi ani, oh.
I tell
No, it was over.
Later, look at this.
Wow! They have many cups.
1, 2, 3.
Why you didn't find me?
Wala, dako pa siyang lake. Siguradong lake man ni siya. Mura man ni siyang dagat, oy. Gisit up na among pagkaon, guys. Nathan, did you finish your clothes?
Mama.
Wow, it's my first time.
Okay.
This is my first time doing it. Wait, it's a private owner. Mom. Mom, it's a private owner.
Okay.
ですね、お済みのお皿をですね、あちらのボックスの中を入れてください。最後になりますが、この辺りにですね、ご覧の野鳥がおりまして、ちょっとこういった食べ物を狙ってくる時がありますので、お客様、皆様お席が食べられる
Isn't it cool,
お
Mom?
食事をボックスがお手
Is it cool?
お願いします。
Share the pizza
説明
for
になりま
us.
すが、ご不明でとございますでしょうか。
これもこのまま。
このまま大丈夫です。はい。すみません、以上になります。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Huh? Make a corner of stuff.
Come here, give me put the pizza, Coco. Put the pizza.
Here, here, Nick, here.
Hey, let me do it.
It's okay, Nick.
Because it might be
Mag-away pag
dangerous.
mag-
It might be dangerous.
Here. This one, not that. This one.
This one.
Ew, let him do it, Nathan. He's gonna cry. He's gonna cry if he's doing it. Come on.
Okay.
Away pa dito. No, not that. With this
With
one.
this one.
Yeah. Kuya Nathan will help you. Sus, oy, ma'am.
Oh, help, Kuya Nathan, help. Be careful. Be careful. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, it's hot.
We did it. High five.
Ayan, mag-bonfire kami diri, guys. Ang titigas ng ano, oh. Ang titigas ng kahoy dito.
Okay, okay.
You. I'll go there again.
Then I have to go. Then I go to the potty. Yay! It's the bonfire.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
Okay, do.
Can I do it?
Not yet, wait.
The mom is
Oh, I see it. Let's go to the party. Nathan, this is the party. My name is Nathan.
Oh, nisiga na, guys. Lah, nana na dahil takpan.
Para maano to, ibang kahoy.
Ah.
Kasi kung hindi siya
wow.
Nathan, let's the exercise. Let's go.
Baka alas 6 yan, ma.
Huh.
I said I'm gonna sit here.
Okay, but there's no space now because only the grown-ups, only grown-ups.
Come on, don't go near
Oh!
Mom,
Come on, Nathan, come on.
some here.
Nathan, come here na, Nate.
Here.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Mom, I need to take pictures.
One.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, listen, happy birthday to Sean.
Happy birthday to you.
What's this?
Like this.
But I forgot it.
It's okay. Birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's go outside.
Sa live na po pa, grabe.
Grabe ka talaga, Shona ba?
Pumunta kami ng restaurant kahapon sa ano.
Hey guys! What?
Magkape ta dere ah. Cheers!
Can you send everyone to do that?
Okay.
You have to say that here.
Careful, gently. Do it. We're doing it.
Excuse me, Mom. Coco, Mom, I need to take a picture. Coco, Mom. More Coco, Mom.
Hush!
Ang cute nyo naman in tawon. Oy, mga baby.
Guys, it's my second time doing. I did this 2 times. I did this on my school trip. In the bonfire. Ah,
I
shit!
know, hate Richard. Don't get it.
He's. Guys, this is so hot. It's okay, guys.
Mama.
Wait,
Nahulog na ang kay Sean.
Dude, genius. I can literally put the fire inside of my popcorn. Never mind.
Wait.
This is so fun. Guys, this is my second time.
Let's do it down.
You know, it's my second time doing this.
What are you doing to me?
Angela,
We're doing together.
Not
Whoa!
wow.
Hot!
You blow it. What the heck?
I literally burned.
Hala, Nitan, don't eat that. It's burn. Don't eat.
How am I supposed to eat this burn?
Don't eat dyan, anak. It's burn eh.
How am I supposed to eat? I want to get it.
Move it.
Yan, good morning guys. Morning ngayon. Ito yung makikita mo dito. Magduyan tayo dito. Mag-backlight tayo dali. Nawala na ata ang sunset. Nindot kay diri ba? Oo, makarelax kaya ang view. Wala kay mga tao karon kay weekdays na ay mga klase. Uy, na ay nagdit dari guys, oh. Ay mga hapon dari nagdit-dit. Tapos na ata ang sunset. Lumabog na ata ang sunset dito. Baklay-baklay ito dali. Ay, mga kalapate dali ba? Ay, abot na si sunrise guys. Ay, ang ganda. May subang na dyan ang adlaw, oh. Sakit sa mata ba na nabilin magud akong eyeglasses. Sakit sa mata in tawon. Nindot kaayo siya sa ngatanan. O, dool ra kaayo ang kuan, ang sunrise daani. Dool ra kaayo. Sunrise. Rag makaptan na rin mo ba, charot? Nindot na din magtanaw-tanaw aning sunrise, oh. Hinahayag na kaayo. Hinahayag na. Nawala mo tong gadit-dit daani, oh. Ang ilang kitanaw ang sunrise ra jud in tawon. Mga adto na ta guys, kay sakit na kay sa mata ba, mamaklay na ta din he. Nindot kay ang view di ani. Ay Ginoo ko. Lumubog tayo, oh. Sandal man isa ko mo ang gistayhan. Diba? Nindot kaayo, oh. Kita na siguro ang tagyaanin no. Indot po na siya nga idea ba. Pero kung sa Pilipinas ni murag di man ni pwede kainit makasangatan na ning dom. Ayan, lumabas na si Haring Araw. Magbuting-buting kami mamaya guys. See you. Madto na ta sa amo ang hotel. Ay, hotel. Among gitulugan. Di siya hotel di ay. Glamping. Ang glamping, pinasosyal na camping ba? Pag abot ni Big Boy dito, boring daw. Kaya wala TV. Wala man dyan TV diri. Kay camping man eh. Pinasosyal na camping. Si Lolo. Bakle-bakle si Lolo. Na-open na ang bar. Drink bar. Libre din na. Nanginom may kagabi idi ana. Wine. Ay na, musulod na ta dire sa amo ang gistayhan. Mga tulog pa ni amo ang mga batos. Nate, come here, Nate. Come here. Good morning, handsome. How are you?
What time is it?
The time is on. Come on.
7 o'clock.
Let's go, Nate. Let's go there.
7 o'clock.
Using na akong big boy, oh. It's cold. Let's go to the sunrise, Nate.
Wow.
Oh, it's a sunrise.
I woke up in the sunrise.
Yeah. Here's the sunrise.
Wow. Look, it's kind of windy. I think it was kind of windy before.
Nate, come on, let's go there. Nathan. Nate, come on. Musalom jud siya oy. Nathan. Nathanael. Tanaw siya sa sunrise. Like this. Okay, come on, let's go. Dili kita ang now kay against the light. Nathan! Nathan, I take your picture. One, picture. 1, 2, 3. Humana mag sunrise.
I like our new house, Mom.
Yeah.
But it's very far away. And Siga.
Yes.
That's why we have to drive a car. For the next 2 hours. For the next 2 hours, it takes a long time.
Okay, gently.
Sumbong ina. Ay, kita ako, kita.